Guys, Utshab here at Hyundai. Today I wanted to show you the beautiful 2010 Honda CRV. Take a look at that beautiful classic Honda CRV design. Vehicle comes with all-season tires, Cooper, and it is wrapped around a beautiful 17-inch alloy rim. The interior is super clean, even though it's a 2010. You'll be surprised to know that it only has 111,595 kilometers on it. Check out the rear seats. Let's check out the trunk space. Here you are, plenty of room. A view from the passenger side. Beautiful brushed aluminum design right here. I'll show you the awesome features that you get with the 2010 Honda CRV. Here we have the traction on and off button. This is for your side mirror controls. We got cruise control right here. That's your defroster, so it does come with side mirror defrosting option. Look at that classic CD player. And also, yes, you do have an aux port, so nothing to worry about, folks. And you can just put your cell phone right in there, or your iPod, whatever you're using to play your music. That's what the cluster looks like. I'll turn off the blinkers. And right here, we got storage space for your shades. That's awesome. Nice little mirror here on the driver's side as well. I really like how this is absolutely open. To switch drivers, it's going to be very easy. You don't really have to necessarily step out of the vehicle if you don't want. And got some nice cup holders here. Some space maybe for your coins. And as a matter of fact, this just falls off just like that. So if you want to not get out of the vehicle once again and just want to go to the back seat, it's super simple and easy for you to get there. You don't have to crawl over anything. I'm sure you're wondering what the legroom is like at the back. Here you are. Well, I'm 5'10", and I'm average height, I would say, and there's plenty of room. So even if you're a big guy, say 6'2" or 6'3", you should still not have any trouble whatsoever. Nice little separator with cup holders over here. Look at that beautiful and clean engine right there. It is a 2.4 liter, a very fuel efficient, guys. Was the 2010 Honda CRV, guys. Get in touch with me today, 204-800-7543, Murray Hyundai. Once again, 204-800-7543. My name is Utshab, and I hope to see you soon.